So I have a DM18RL, and I bought it to adapt Dewalt batteries to Ryobi tools, and I was a little worried about it because they don't have any battery protection. So essentially, with Dewalt batteries, the batteries are just plain connections, no actual possible connections, or sorry, no battery regulation or voltage cutoff. And these and Ryobi tools have all of the voltage cutoff in the battery. So essentially, by using a Ryobi tool, I could run this down beyond the point of cutoff, and therefore ruin my Dewalt batteries. And so the thought here is I bought this here, and I wanted to find something to do a low voltage battery cutoff, so I took it apart. And I found this on banggood.com. It is a very, very small voltage regulator, or not voltage regulator, but voltage sensor. It's meant to run for RC stuff. And what happens is it automatically senses 1S all the way up to 5S. These are actually a 5S battery. And when the voltage drops to an average of 3 according to here, I have it set for 3.4. So when the average drops below 3.4, it will sound an alarm. This is what it looks like when you attach it to a battery. It will automatically sense. So it beeped 5 times, automatically sensing 5S, and it has it set for 3.4 volts. So when the average for 5 cells drops below 3.4, it'll start to loudly sound an alarm, and I'll be able to have that alarm inside. If I ever want to change that setting, I poked a little hole here in the case with a hot nail, to allow me to go ahead and click the switch here to change the voltage settings. That is my solution to avoiding. So when I stop using the tool, this thing should start beeping long before the battery is dead, completely dead, and I can check the battery gauge to know what the battery looks like. But it'll just be an audible alarm so that I don't destroy my Dewalt batteries by using them on Ryobi tools. So I'm going to test this configuration with the Ryobi light, because I feel like that would be the easiest and least noisy way to check it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So it beeped 5 times. That's sensing that it is a 5S battery pack, which is accurate. I've just switched on the light, and in theory, this should start beeping when the voltage goes below 3.4 volts per cell, which is well within the battery's health tolerances. So we'll be back a little later to check on it, make sure that it's, and see how it goes. So you heard the alarm there a few seconds ago. That alarm was indicating that the battery voltage had dropped, and under load it was dropping below the 17 volts. So yeah, so after pulling it off and letting the battery sit for a few minutes, we're at 17.2 volts, and we still show one bar. So the battery's still in good shape, ready to be charged. And I was alerted before the battery voltage dropped too low. All right, well, this is the end of the DM18RL, the Dewalt to Ryobi converter that I modified with a low voltage alarm. So when the 20 volt battery drops below a certain voltage, or 17 volts, it will sound an alarm, which makes it so I don't have to worry about harming my Dewalt batteries, which is exciting. It also allows me to run like do the USB charger, for example, and not have to worry about over drying the battery as well. So again, this has been the DM18RL review with a little bit of a modification to include a low voltage battery alarm. Good luck to you. I hope it works out for you, and you can not worry about destroying your Dewalt batteries.